In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up online banking with Axos Bank. We'll walk through each step together, ensuring you have a seamless and secure experience. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to visit the Axos Bank website. You'll find that Axos offers a straightforward online banking experience, but to get started, you need to create an account. So head over to their website, and once you're there, locate the login button situated in the upper right corner of the homepage. Clicking on that button will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Account Login. This will direct you to the login webpage. Here, you'll see a tab labeled Register. Go ahead and click on that tab to begin the enrollment process. Now that you've accessed the registration section, it's time to provide some important personal information. This is crucial for setting up your account, so make sure you fill out these fields accurately. You'll need to input your full name and date of birth. They also require your social security number or individual taxpayer identification number. Don't forget to include your complete residential address and current contact information, including an email address and phone number. Double check the details you've entered to avoid any errors that could delay the setup process. Next, you will create your login credentials. This is an essential step, as these will be your keys to accessing your online banking. Start by choosing a username. Make sure it's unique yet easy for you to remember. Then you'll need to create a strong password. Axos Bank has specific security requirements for this password, so it should be both secure and memorable. Additionally, set up security questions. These questions are there to assist with account recovery if you ever forget your password. Once your login credentials are all set, it's time to beef up your account security features. Axos Bank offers two-factor authentication, often referred to as 2FA. This is a highly effective way to protect your account and should definitely be enabled. When you opt in for 2FA, you will typically receive a verification code via text message or email. Go ahead and enter this code to confirm your identity. This extra layer of security safeguards your account, giving you peace of mind. Finally, it's time to review and confirm everything. Take a moment to carefully go over all the information you've entered. It's important to ensure everything is accurate before submitting. Once you've confirmed and submitted all details, you should receive a notification indicating that your online banking account is now active. Congratulations, you're all set. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on setting up your online banking with Axos Bank. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and has made the process clear and straightforward for you.